come on in. We're going to look at this townhome at Hamilton Square.
Awesome, great.
I'm so excited to show it to you.
It was nice. The guest parking was right next door. So
yeah, guest parking.
Over.
You have 2 spots right next to you. So when you come in, the first thing you notice, obviously, is how amazingly redone this home has been done. So everything in the kitchen is brand new.
Oh, great.
So the owner bought this. We actually sold it to her about 6 years ago, and she redid everything when she moved in so that she could live in it. And I like to tell you that because it's really nice when an owner has already lived in it and they didn't just remodel it for the sale. But you can see all the cabinetry is new, all the shelving is new appliances. You have an amazing entryway too, where you can put all of your stuff down, all of your rain gear. And then right behind you is that half bathroom that's been redone.
Oh, always love it on the same floor as the living space. Absolutely.
Yeah, exactly. So you have that for entertaining. And then you do have a full-size garage here right off your kitchen. You can bring in your groceries. And that actually has some extra storage as well.
Oh, absolutely. Beautiful.
Mm-hmm.
And how did she like living out here?
She really liked it. You know, living in Kirkland is kind of the best of all worlds. You have amazing downtown on the waterfront with all the shops and restaurants you need. You're just a 15-minute commute to downtown Bellevue. You can easily get to Redmond in about 20 minutes. Or if you want to go into Seattle, that's about 30 minutes away. So Kirkland is truly like the lake waterfront lifestyle if you go into downtown, which is so close to us here.
Okay, great.
Yeah,
show me a little more.
Yeah, did you notice the floors? They're all brand new. They're luxury vinyl. And then one thing that's really nice upgrade is this slider here, and all the other windows. They're all Apex triple pane, so they keep out the sound.
Oh, wow.
And the weather. They keep your home cooler or warmer, depending on the season.
This is a great backyard. And you're on a greenbelt here.
Yeah, you're right by all this greenery, and not every townhome in this community has a backyard like this. So this is definitely an advantage here. You have this nice deck, and you have some extra storage off the back of the garage as well. And this is perfect if you have a dog, which a lot of people here do.
People in Seattle do. I also noticed there's no one right next door to you here, so you're only sharing one wall.
Absolutely. You're on the end, so a little quieter, not as many neighbors. Now here on this level, you also have this wood burning fireplace, which is very cute. You can see we're not using it right now, but you could if you want to in the Seattle winter.
It looks like she was able to keep a lot of plants alive here. I'm guessing this skylight helped with that.
Yeah, absolutely. That's one of my favorite features is actually this little box window where you can keep your plants, or you could put a spice rack there if you wanted.
All right, great place. What about the HOA?
Yeah, so the HOA is $315 a month here. That covers all the common area maintenance, landscaping, as well as earthquake insurance. And it's actually volunteer led. So people who live in the community actually lead the HOA.
Oh, that's huge.
And they have a really great reserve fund. So they have not had a special assessment in the past 6 years, which is, as you know, impressive for an HOA, the homeowners association, because oftentimes they won't save enough money. So that just goes to show you that they really care for the community and are saving a lot of money.
Yeah, and driving in, it was so well maintained. All the yards and all the areas looked really, really well done. Yeah,
it's a small community, which the owner of this home really enjoyed. And I think that's something that could be appealing to the next owner as well.
Absolutely.
Ready to go upstairs?
Yeah, I'd love to see it.
Okay, let's go. Now up here, you're going to be impressed because there's a skylight, which is really necessary in Seattle because, as you know, it's a little cloudy. She redid this whole entire laundry area, obviously new washer and dryer, and an amazing
space to organize.
Yeah, amazing space to fold all your clothes, and then some extra storage. Now, this is the first and only bathroom on this floor. So the 2 bedrooms up here share this bathroom, but as you can see, it's all been redone.
Yeah.
Basically, everything in here has been touched, and with a designer eye, I might add, because it looks really impressive. Yeah, more storage here. Now, this is going to be your kind of primary bedroom over here. It's the bigger of the 2. As you can see, you can fit a king bed in here. Yeah, so it's really nice. And I love the detail around with the painted wall that goes about halfway up. And then that shelf along the back of the bed is so cute.
Absolutely. It definitely has that modern update, but it's very timeless. It seems like it will stay in style.
Yeah, and then a big walk-in closet here. Yeah, and plenty of room if you wanted to. You could put up a bigger dresser or even like a TV or a desk in here if you needed to work from home.
Absolutely.
Now, speaking of work from home, Kirkland is really connected by transit as well. So you have the park and ride nearby. You can get on the 520 or the 405 really easily to get anywhere that you need to go. So that's one of the benefits of Kirkland as well.
What about for like entertainment or restaurants? Is there some good spots in the area?
Yeah, one of the best new attractions in Kirkland is the Village at Totem Lake, which is literally a 5-minute drive from here. So you have movie theater, all the restaurants you could need, all the entertainment you could need, shopping. It's a really awesome, kind of like outdoor feeling mall. And so that's going to be your best spot. to
Okay,
go.
one-stop shop. That's amazing.
Yeah. Now this could be a bedroom. You can see a huge closet here that you have painted in the darker color, which is nice because it kind of just conceals it. Or you could make this into an office as it's set up now.
Yeah, absolutely. I think I have some people in tech who would definitely want to see this.
Exactly, yeah. And then you have all new windows up here as well, just so you know. And you might have seen those triple pane windows. Those come with a lifetime warranty that's transferable to the new owner.
Oh, that's absolutely. It seems like there's a lot of great updates in the property. It's so bright in this main living space. And location, you just can't kill it.
Yeah, this is the best of the best for sure.
You know what? I think I might actually have one of the perfect clients for this property.
Oh, really? Tell me.
Yeah, she's trying to move to Kirkland. She's just gotten her second job in the tech industry. So she's down in Redmond, quick drive over.
Yeah.
She's looking for a little space to work from home, but also be able to get into the office and socialize often with her friends and family. And I think this might be a good spot for her.
Yeah, does she have animals too?
She does have a little dog.
Oh,
so I
great.
think she would enjoy the yard here when it's rainier and she doesn't want to go outside.
Yeah, exactly. You just slide that door open and let the dog out. That sounds really good.
She's also a plant girly, so she's definitely going to want to use all this natural light in here to make sure that she can grow them.
Yeah, I love that. Okay, well, make sure to bring her by ASAP.
Absolutely.